Introducing the latest addition to our lineup, the Dahua WizColor Camera. Imagine it's 10 p.m. at night. Even in low light conditions, the camera delivers bright and clear images with true colors, free from distortion or motion blur. Experience a significant enhancement in image quality at night with improved distance clarity. The camera's advanced features automatically reduces exposure when vehicles are in motion, ensuring that license plates are clearly visible. It captures vibrant, high-quality footage as if it were still daylight, delivering exceptional clarity and detail, no matter how dark the surroundings. Furthermore, even in complete darkness, our camera also supports human and vehicle detection. Our PTZ camera model supports white light and sound warning. When a stranger intrudes, the device will sound an alarm and activate a light to drive away the uninvited guest. It also supports flexible rotation, allowing remote control for both horizontal and vertical movement. Users can set important positions as presets, and the device will patrol these areas to ensure the security of key zones. Explore more of our camera features and discover how they can enhance your security.